Hello friends, I am Snell Kumar and today I am going to show you how to chin mount any action camera on studs motocross helmets. Let's begin. Here I am having this studs motocross helmet which is mostly used by jigsaw lovers and this very affordable SJ6 Legend SJ cam. Here you can see this helmet has pointed chin with these two air gaps and this metal air filter covering. So now the question is how to mount any action camera on this pointed chin helmet. To mount this camera we will need bicycle handlebar mount like this. Okay, then one straight mount and these two screws to tie. Now first remove this covering with the screws so that you can insert the screws like this. Okay, make some space. Take this upper mounting part of this handlebar mount and now what we have to do, we have to take this handlebar mount with these screws and just insert these screws into these holes that you have made by removing this covering. Okay, and fix it like this. It will look somewhat like this. Tie these two screws, tie this handlebar mount with these two screws like this. Fix it properly so that this mount should not move. Okay. Okay, I have fixed it. This is not moving. You can see like this. Take this straight mount and fix it like this. And tie it with the screws. Tie it like this so that you can adjust whatever the angle you want. Now you can mount this action camera on this helmet. In two ways you can mount this camera, like this straight way or this inverted way. Okay, so if you mount this camera like this straight, okay, so there are chances that this camera come in front of your eyes, which may disturb you while driving. So I tried this but I couldn't find this fine way. So what I did, I just mounted this camera inverted. Okay, and tied it with the screw. Okay, so here you can adjust this angle as well. And here it is how it looks like. Now the question is how to rotate the video. That to rotate the inverted video, there are a lot of thousands of application video editors. With the help of that you can rotate these videos, and I'm sure that there is no quality difference. You can check my videos as well on the YouTube channel, so you notice that there is no video quality downgrade or audio quality change. Everything is super fine. So guys, don't think a lot, and very easily you can mount your camera like this without any efforts. All the best. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like this. Thanks.